negative sentence. Before learning about our lesson, let's check it first. When I say class, you say yes. This means pay attention. When I say meter, you say meter. This means repeat after me with gesture. When I say teach, you say okay. This means you have to teach me. Alright, let's get to it. So first, we're gonna learn about negative sentence, but what about we have to check the verb. Okay, so class, I'm gonna show you there are meter. There are two kinds of verb. First, be verb, is, am, are, they are be verb. Second, other verb, have, go, eat, and so on, they are other verb. Can you teach me? Teach. There are two kinds of verb. First, be verb, is, am, are, they are be verb. What about second? Other verb. Have, go, eat, and so on, they are other verbs. Well done. Then how do you make a negative sentence if the sentence contains be verb, right? Class, Peter, to make a negative sentence with be verb. Be verb can take not. Be verb can take not. So is not, am not, are not. Can you teach me? Teach. Yeah, to make a negative sentence with be verb. Good. Be verb can take not. Is not, am not, are not. Well done. Good job. But what about other verbs? Have, go, eat. Right? So as you see here, I'm going to show this chart. So look at this. Other verbs, meter. Other verbs cannot take not. Instead, we use don't, doesn't, didn't before the verb. Okay? But what about when do we use then doesn't? When the subject is third person singular, we use doesn't. Can you teach me? Teach. Other verbs cannot take not. Instead, we use don't, doesn't, didn't before the verb. When the subject is third person singular, we use doesn't. Well done. Good job. Okay, so we can see the example. You are a doctor. This sentence, it contains be verbs are. How do you make a negative sentence? Be verb contain not. So what is it? You are not a doctor. Great. What about this sentence? Is a teacher. How to make a negative sentence? Is not a teacher. Be verb contain not. But then, what about this one? I have a rabbit. Have is not a be verb. It's other verb. They cannot take not. So instead we use what? Don't, doesn't, didn't. So what is that? I don't have a rabbit. Okay, last one. She has a cat. As you see, she is the third person singular. We have to use what? Doesn't. So how to make it? She doesn't have a cat. Class. Okay, keep in mind, this is a doesn't is followed by simple present tense. So instead of has, we have to use have. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.